have you seen anything like from Seedance, like the videos from them?
I don't think so.
Or you don't know? That's the point. There is this new video model out called Seedance, and it's it's like incredibly good. Just let's pause. This was not something simple. Like video models have struggled with gymnastic, like a lot. It's the next spaghetti test. It's like much more difficult, and this one gets it right. And like, what? You see the camera movement, it gets it right. And I feel like there is like the motion, there is this like changing the speed, the frame rate speed somehow. It's kind of like dynamic, and it makes it like slow-mo at some points. And it's just, and then like you would accept this on no more, you know, uprising against Coca-Cola using AI, because we won't notice that's it's getting that good. So I just want to show a few examples quickly. Like there is this legendary fight here. It's really good. And all of these, even though they have cuts, they are all mostly one prompt. It can do obviously like different styles. So there is this cartoonish style happening here. There is also voice. It's not just video, sound as well. And yeah, it is like the Hollywood style and the cinema, basically the cinema quality is just insane. But you can still tell in some places it doesn't completely make sense. Like sometimes the enemy is on the other end, and it's like the camera, it just doesn't completely have like this understanding of the physical world perfectly. So you could tell by those things. And obviously we have the Will Smith, and this time he's fighting because you've been eating enough of it. But yeah, so
how do we use this? How do we? So
it's
is it Comfy UI? Do you use something like Comfy UI?
No, from what I searched, it wasn't available. It's not available in my Higgs field. So from what I understand, it's invite only, or like beta for just some people have access. Unfortunately, I don't. But just if you search it, just give it a little search. It's insane. Like even here, people are comparing it to Kling 3, and yeah, because Kling 3 is also out, but Seedance is it's on another level.
Yeah, it'd be cool to experiment. I've never really experimented with video models, to be honest.
Yeah, I have, but I have only done Grok, Imagine, and the Kling 2.5, and I've done it for client work, not for cinematic things. And I think it might be counterintuitive, but it is much easier to use it for like cinematic stuff than for client, because for client typically you would need like UI stuff or like very, very specific things, but cinematic things are kind of like more chaotic and fine to be not that perfect. We cannot tell anymore. Like we truly cannot tell. Like many of these scenes, I could not tell if they are AI or like a Hollywood studio, and Hollywood is the one in trouble, because now anyone with a good story can, you know, come and make a short movie or even like a full-on movie. Now what matters is the story and, you know, probably the branding around it, and why would you make people care. I've been seeing so every week it's like you see memes on the internet where people are like, so that's why like a piece of RAM cost 900 euros, because, you know, use it for like AI slop. But this week I've been seeing more and more of like cat jokes, like cat videos, like fighting different things, and people are like, okay, now I'm fine with RAM being this expensive because of like the cat videos are getting good. So I don't know. This is where we are at.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.